Hello, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you guys through a new trade-in. We have a 2023 Sea Pro 239 Deluxe. This boat's in excellent condition and also very well equipped. The trailer is not included. We're powered with the single 300 Suzuki on the back, just about 100 engine hours. Very well equipped, underwater lights, trim tabs, telescoping ladder here along the transom. Freshwater washdown. As we step in here along the transom, you have a built-in live well with lots of storage both to port and starboard side. Storage compartments over here. Here along the back we have our bilge access. To show you how clean this boat is, the bilge is just about spotless. 2 batteries, one for the house system, one for the engine. Pull-out bench seat. We have a nice leaning post, very comfortable flip-down bolsters and armrests. Well-appointed dash, Simrad multi-function display, Suzuki digital engine gauge, trim tabs, stereo system, and then ample bow seating up front. All these cushions are removable. We have a filler cushion here in the center as well. This does go up to table height. And then it's pretty cool, we have 2 sets of backrests, so depending on how you want to lounge out, you can use this backrest or this one. You can see on the starboard side it lays flat. Everything's in real nice condition. Fiberglass hardtop, color match to the hull. Again, this is Bryan McGlynn, MarineMax here in Stuart. New trade-in. 2023 Sea Pro. Feel free to give me a call at 561-635-6811. Thank you.